Kelly of the Rusty's Customs Instagram page has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he created with it. This is one tough looking rig. It's armored, armed, mean. It has everything going for it, and I sure wouldn't want to enjoy having it cross my path. Yeah. I love what he did with this. There's so much stuff on here. You really have to look at it. And there's a lot of pictures here, fortunately, so you can really check it out. But there's something everywhere on this. So I hope you like this build. Be sure and check out Kelly over on Instagram. Kelly, thanks for taking the challenge. And I hope you had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope this build has been a nice little escape for you. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. More of these builds are on the way. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.